So what brought me into electroculture was this wake up. It was this realization that, hey, I've forgotten so many things that I once knew to be true.
Yeah, intention fuels so many things in our world and people are unaware of it. I think a lot of people, though, are becoming more knowledgeable on it and are looking into more things like esoteric and the unknown because they want to know the truth.
They want to see deeper, past the
Yeah.
veil. And, you know, it's one thing to know this sort of thing through words and through reading books and experiencing, but experiential knowledge is fundamentally different. And, I forgot these lessons, when I got into farming, and I basically became a robot. I was working 50 plus hours a week and working in straight lines, just planting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of plants a week in the ground, like pumping them in, pumping them in, pumping them in, pumping them in, harvest, 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 one after another in hopes to make profit to support my family, because farming's a modest income. I forgot these things, and I was experiencing disease pressure after disease pressure on
Mm.
plants. We did it organically, we did it regeneratively, but the consciousness piece just started to fall away,
Oh, yeah.
and I was operating from a place of lack, a place of sometimes anger, frustration with hardships, problem solving, and I got to see it in the opposite way, that it's not just our love that influences life, it's also our anger, it's our
Oh, sure.
sadness, it's the weight that we hold. And experiencing that firsthand and not having a place to anchor it, because I never slowed down enough to really center back into this wisdom, I was creating the very conditions that were creating my unhappiness. And the plants were mirroring that.
Yeah.
And it's a horrible trap, because I think a lot of us in different areas of our lives, we go through this. What brought me into electroculture was this wake up. It was this realization that, hey, I've forgotten so many things that I once knew to be true. And in essence, it started to breathe a new sense of purpose, a new sense of life back into this angst, this anxiety that I was feeling. And that's why I become so passionate about it from here on out, why I'm doing what I can with the work that we do.